Welcome to our part 2, I guess, of our little trip to New York, where we are in the hotel. We're continuing straight on from our last little video, and I guess on this video it's probably pretty much the same as the last video. I haven't really got a plan of what we're doing, where we're going, what we're seeing, but we are in the hotel. We are all sort of settled down. So she's in the bathroom somewhere fluffing around, but I think the Savo, we're not going to stay indoors and sort of sit around like hermits. We are going to go for a walk and try and go have a look at that building there, Empire State Building, and then I guess go from there, see what else we see. Just have a look around New York, the streets of New York, see what we see, get a beer or two. So our hotel is right in the heart of New York City, right there, a block away from Empire State Building. Pretty much, what are we, a block away from the main drag, isn't it, Soch?
Yeah, Fifth Avenue it's called.
Fifth Avenue, there she is.
Hi.
So yeah, right in the heart of the city. Not too sure how much it costs, what is going on there, but it is freezing cold, -9 degrees. If you can see out our window, straight over there, there is a little sort of water tank on top of the building. I'm guessing it has a leak because it is all iced up. It's pretty weird to see. But anyway, let's get all ready, get all sorted, get on out of here and go for a walk through the streets. What are you doing there?
Getting a shot.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Banque up, ouais.
Like there's a McDonald's on the corner. You're cold? It is freezing cold.
Oh, it's not.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Spin around.
The city itself is that it seems to be growing upward. It's almost like sprouts from a garden. So it's really amazing to watch. Every year you can see these buildings getting taller and taller. To me, it's just something really unbelievable. And it's something really nice to see.
Oh no. What is it?
It goes all the way down. It's glass. See the bottom? For the fins.
You good there?
See it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets flying through the air? Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh? Que ça reste bien droit! Oh! Hey, watch it! We're coming up here! Hey, fellas, watch the bricks! Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will you? All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
I think you can go outside.
Oh, can you?
I think so. Pretty sure. It's amazing. Pretty.
Flat out people though. People everywhere here.
See the Statue of Liberty?
Can you? Oh yeah? Oh, it's tiny, isn't it? Right out there.
You won a lot of games.
Procedi a sinistra. Salga alla izquierda. Saída à esquerda. 왼쪽으로 나가주세요.
左手にお進みください。
Please exit left.
Oh, it's windy.
That's cute. Yes.
Even with those heaters, so
Yeah, I didn't even see them up there. Takes your breath away, doesn't it? Oh! My eyelashes were flapping.
he's ridiculously cold. As soon as you go around that corner, the wind just comes straight through. You okay?
Just.
the heaters aren't doing a thing. Oh, God.
Oh, we should try and get one here. It's actually right here.
Maybe my hands are frozen. I reckon if I was to tap my hand, one of my fingers would just snap off. Well, this is the Empire State Building. This is about as much as we're going to see outside because it is freezing. It's ridiculously cold. But people going everywhere. Down there's the warm side. Over here's the freezing cold side. But I think that's going to do us. We'll get inside, go get a beer, something warm as well. You good? Look at that.
Where's my shirt?
I got one, we're still waiting. You got the strong stuff.
Always.
Right, I think that's going to do us for this episode. I know it's been a bit of a different episode, but it is I guess a look around New York, first little episode. That's going to do us. Yep. Finish it here. We're going to go out and have a nice little meal by ourselves. But thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see you on the next one where we are still exploring New York, aren't we?
Yeah, trying to cram everything in.
Yeah, as much as we can in the 3 days that we're here. So, yeah, like I said, I'm not too sure where these episodes are going to go, but
they're going somewhere.
Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye. bad.